We've all felt it, the quickened heartbeat, the flutter in your stomach, the subtle blush when you see someone special. These aren't just poetic images, they're real, physical reactions, orchestrated by ancient brain chemistry. Long before words, our bodies spoke the language of attraction through involuntary cues, a glance, a lean, a smile. This silent symphony is our evolutionary blueprint for connection. Your brain detects someone of interest and instantly releases a surge of neurochemicals. Blood pumps faster, pupils widen, skin flushes, each a signal in the dance of attraction. These reactions are honest, often revealing our feelings before we're even aware of them. Our bodies broadcast desire and attachment, sending signals others pick up on, often subconsciously. This primal dialogue forms the foundation of human bonding. Think of it as a biological broadcast. Your brain cues your body to act, and the world responds. The heart races, the body leans in, and the eyes linger. These are the confessions of the heart, more truthful than words. While we can choose our words, it's much harder to hide a racing pulse or a mirrored gesture. Our bodies reveal excitement, vulnerability, and the deep need for connection. Understanding this silent language isn't just about decoding romance, it's about understanding what makes us human. It's the wiring that drives us to seek and hold on to love. Before we ever say, "I love you," our bodies have already spoken. The story of love begins in the body, long before it's ever put into words. At the heart of love is a potent chemical cocktail mixed by the brain. 4 key players, dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, and oxytocin, shape our experience of romance. Dopamine fuels attraction, flooding us with euphoria and focus. Norepinephrine brings the rush-racing heart, sweaty palms, and sleepless excitement. Serotonin drops in early love, explaining those obsessive, all-consuming thoughts. You replay every conversation, can't stop thinking about them. As love matures, serotonin stabilizes, bringing calm and security. Oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, is released during intimacy, hugs, kisses, even holding hands. It's the glue that transforms infatuation into lasting attachment. This chemical foundation builds trust, commitment, and the deep bonds that define long-term love. The love cocktail is both the spark and the anchor of our relationships. It's why love feels so exhilarating and why it can last. Oxytocin is the architect of our deepest bonds. It's not just for romance, it shapes our connections with friends, family, and even groups. When released, oxytocin calms the brain's fear center, making us feel safe and trusting. A hug isn't just comforting, it's a chemical event that soothes anxiety. High oxytocin encourages empathy, generosity, and positive interpretations of others' actions. The more we connect, the more oxytocin flows, deepening trust in a powerful feedback loop. Touch is oxytocin's primary language. A gentle caress or embrace triggers its release. Physical affection isn't just pleasant, it's essential for strong bonds. Oxytocin helps us shift from me to we, merging identities and fostering belonging. It transforms individual survival into mutual care and cooperation. This hormone is the chemical essence of commitment. Oxytocin is the bedrock of lasting love. The brain's chemical symphony becomes visible in our actions. Our voices change. Men may lower theirs, women may sound more melodic, without even realizing it. We lean in, mirror each other's movements, and orient our bodies toward those we love. These ancient signals show openness and engagement. Our faces reveal true emotion. A genuine smile, crinkling the eyes, is nearly impossible to fake. Attraction dilates our pupils, signaling fascination and focus. Touch evolves as love deepens from tentative brushes to lingering hugs and hand-holding. Each touch sends a cascade of chemicals, reinforcing connection. These non-verbal cues are honest broadcasts of our feelings. Even in a crowd, our bodies declare where our hearts lie. The language of love is spoken in posture, gaze, and touch. It's a conversation that happens without words. Our actions reveal what our hearts feel, often before we're aware of it. The body's signals are the truest confessions of love. In every gesture, the chemistry of connection is at work. Beyond what we see, love signals travel invisibly through pheromones. These chemical messengers may subtly influence attraction, drawing us to those with different immune systems. The scent of a loved one is comforting, a unique signature that triggers deep feelings of safety. Emotional contagion is another invisible force. Our brains mirror the emotions of those we love. Mirror neurons let us feel what our partner feels, creating shared joy or anxiety. Happiness and excitement are contagious, strengthening bonds. This emotional mirroring forges a sense of unity. Together, pheromones and empathy create a powerful, silent connection. Love is as much about invisible signals as visible ones. The eyes are the windows to the soul and to love. Sustained eye contact triggers oxytocin, deepening trust and intimacy. A soft, loving gaze communicates safety and acceptance, inviting vulnerability. Attraction dilates pupils while a gentle look says, "You're safe with me." Smiling is just as powerful. A genuine smile signals happiness and warmth. When we smile at a loved one, they're likely to smile back, creating a loop of positive emotion. These micro moments of connection, shared glances and smiles, build the fabric of a strong relationship. A couple sharing a private joke, eyes meeting, both smiling. This is the silent language of love. Each gaze and smile reaffirms the bond, no words needed. The duet of eyes and smiles is the heartbeat of intimacy. Love is built, moment by moment, through these simple silent acts. Beyond chemistry, love is about presence. True connection means giving someone your full, undivided attention. In a world of distractions, presence is a rare and powerful signal. It's not just being in the same room, it's listening deeply, putting away distractions and making your partner feel valued. This act of focus fulfills our need to be seen and to matter. Philosophers say love is deep recognition, seeing and accepting someone's true self. The most profound signals are intentional empathy, acceptance, and the choice to be present. While our bodies react involuntarily, presence is a conscious act of love. It's a daily practice that builds lasting connection. The science opens the door, but presence lets us walk through it together. Love is both a feeling and a choice renewed every day. Knowing the science of love empowers us to strengthen our bonds. Practice the 6-second hug, a daily ritual proven to boost oxytocin. Make eye contact when you talk, using a gentle, engaged gaze. Try sitting quietly, looking into your partner's eyes for a few minutes to deepen intimacy. Add more affectionate, non-sexual touch. Hold hands, touch an arm, share a lingering hug. These small gestures are emotional deposits, building trust and security. Listen actively, put away distractions, ask questions, and show curiosity. Share laughter, it releases endorphins and dopamine, reinforcing joy and connection. Playfulness and humor are social glue, keeping relationships strong. Every small act is a signal, quietly affirming your bond. Love grows through simple, intentional actions. Love is a paradox, both ancient biology and conscious art. Hormones set the stage, but we choose how to perform. The science explains the racing heart and calm embrace, but our actions give love meaning. The heart feels, but the mind orchestrates. Love is a product of our brain's capacity for connection and trust. The dance of love involves chemistry, psychology, and will. By understanding this language, we become better at sending and receiving love signals. Love is both a science to learn and an art to practice. Its most beautiful moments begin with presence. The story of love is written in every mindful, intentional act.